Hello everyone, this is Harim Rahmani and we are going to see the difference between since and for. Usually people are unable to understand the use of these two particular prepositions, but it is very easy to understand them. If you're able to understand the difference between cardinal and ordinal numbers, you will be able to understand the difference between since and for. What are cardinal and ordinal numbers? Cardinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Ordinal numbers are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. We use these two prepositions when we talk about time for a particular action indeed. But for is used for a duration of time, for a specific period, length of time, whereas since is used with starting point, a specific name of either year or day or date or hour, whatsoever. While using for, we use cardinal number plus time word. This time word can be used in singular or plural as well. For example, 1 week, 2 days, 3 weeks, 1 hour. I've used in plural and singular in both the cases, but along with cardinal numbers. Over here, while using since, you need specific name of month or a day or date or specific time, year, or an ordinal number plus time word. Do remember, here we use singular time word. For example, first century, third year, and since January, since 2011, since 19th century. Did you see that I have used since along with specific time or an ordinal number? So this is the basic difference between these two prepositions. I'm hopeful that you have learned something and you have understood the correct use of since and for. Thank you so very much.